Marketing analytics software versus SEO tools, which one is better for digital campaigns? Most people get this wrong by assuming that ranking high on Google is the same as running an effective digital campaign. The surprising truth is that marketing analytics software and SEO tools serve very different purposes, and understanding their roles can dramatically improve campaign performance. SEO tools like Ahrefs, Semrush or Moz focus primarily on improving search visibility. They help identify keywords, track rankings, analyze backlinks, and optimize on-page content. For example, a small e-commerce site can use SEO tools to discover high-volume keywords and optimize product pages, increasing organic traffic. SEO tools are essential for driving search engine visibility, but they don't show the full picture of a campaign's performance across channels. Marketing analytics software such as Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, or HubSpot Marketing Analytics provides a comprehensive view of campaign performance. It tracks conversions, user engagement, revenue attribution, and ROI across multiple channels: email, social media, pay ads, and organic search. For instance, a company running a multi-channel campaign can see which ad creatives drive the most conversions and which channels underperform, enabling data-driven adjustments. The key difference is scope versus specificity. SEO tools are specialized for search optimization, while marketing analytics platforms offer a holistic view of all campaign data. Most marketers find the best results when combining both, using SEO tools to optimize search traffic and analytics software to measure performance, identify trends, and adjust strategy. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is improving search engine rankings and organic traffic, SEO tools are the better choice. If your goal is understanding overall campaign performance, measuring ROI, and making informed decisions across channels, marketing analytics software wins. The surprising truth is that integrating both creates a powerful digital strategy, ensuring that campaigns not only attract visitors but also convert them into loyal customers.